Welcome to astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Sun in second house. About Sun. Rules Leo. Exaltation Aries. Detriment Aquarius. Fall Libra. Responsible. Eyes. Soul. Government. Father. Gift Shield of Helios, or Circle of Infinity. Represents power urge, personality, ego. Anatomy: the heart, upper back, spleen, circulatory system, the sperm, right eye of male, left eye of female. Keyword: inner self. General: the main expression of the individual. It shows the qualities of leadership and success. And it represents the masculine principle, the husband, father, men. Sun: it rules health, vital principles, and authority and bosses, title, high office, rank, progress, energy, dignity, sense of identity and capacity for experience. So its action is fortifying, vitalizing. The Sun in your chart is the life and heart of the chart. It is where you want to shine in life. Second house: it is mine, what belongs to me. The second house displays values, freedom, inner and outer, resources, earning ability, possessions. Natural sign: Taurus. Natural ruler: Venus. Keyword: values. A house of substance and earth. Quality: succeedent. General. The second house displays financial affairs, possessions, but except real estate, investments, earning power, as well as any obtained or damaged by your personal attempts. It signifies your inside talents and sources, your desire for satisfaction, your psychological feelings, your sense of self-worth and your sense of principles. Since several people think that liberty is basically a matter of funds, here is the property of personalized liberty. It is also your home of materials debt. Sun in the second house. Keyword is financial. You might be constantly trying to find values. This placement suggests the capability to attract funds, however, you can't always hang on to it. You love splendor. Your possessions might be status emblems. You are derived from a well-to-do house or have a successful father or mother. Extravagance and financial success are characteristic here, however it is important too that you should learn how to share. The Sun in the second house functions much like the Sun in Taurus sign. Thank you for watching my video. Which house is your Sun position? Want to get a free natal horoscope? Please tell me. Thank you so much.